2008 Dodge Ram, and this is a 3500 heavy duty 1-ton in the 4-door long box 4-wheel drive. With the 6.6 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine. This truck's in excellent condition. It's got the factory chrome 17-inch wheels. It's got the all-terrain tires all the way around. It's got the flip-out tow mirrors, aluminum step boards. It has the tinted privacy glass in the rear, trailer tow package. It's got a spray-in bed liner. The paint is all in really nice condition. And it has power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, heated mirrors. And it has the 6-speed manual transmission. It's got the 4-wheel drive shifter on the floor, flip-up console, middle seat in the center. It's got the factory CD player, air conditioning. It's got the push-button exhaust brake. For mileage, it has 200,549 kilometers. It also has the factory keyless entry remote. Interior is all in excellent shape. Has all the original floor mats as well. And you can view this 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive long box at Kolenberg Motors at 3537 Couch and Lake Road in Duncan.